Buckle up, because we're about to take a ride in one of the most iconic supercars of all time, the Ferrari F40. When it debuted in 1987, the F40 was Ferrari's fastest and most powerful road car ever built. With its muscular lines and bright red paint job, the F40 looked like it was doing 200 mph just sitting still. Under that sleek exterior lurked a 478 horsepower V8 engine that could rocket the F40 from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds. Step on the gas, and the turbocharged motor would wail like an F1 car, with the speedometer easily climbing past 200 mph. Driving the F40 was an intense experience thanks to its race car-inspired interior. The cabin had no carpets or door handles, just bare carbon fiber and Alcantara. Hammer the throttle and you'd better hold on, because the G-forces could glue you to the seat. The F40 was Enzo Ferrari's dream car, built to celebrate the company's 40th anniversary. It was aerodynamic, raw, and unforgiving. The F40 was a fitting symbol for Ferrari's racing heritage and passion for performance. To this day, many consider it to be the greatest Ferrari road car ever made.